What is he doing?
Hi, I'm Kay Martell. I am the group leader for Upstate Therapy Dogs, which is a member of the National Organization Alliance of Therapy Dogs out of Cheyenne, Wyoming. Here at Washington Center, when we bring the dogs, a lot of the children do interact with the dogs, but I think it helps with their stress and their anxiety. I think it distracts them from their everyday existence and gives them something fun to think about. So we try and interact and just give them lots of love and hugs and kisses and make it a rewarding, positive experience for them. I think it also helps them to understand about other things in life other than people. That they see that animals are good also, that animals can give back to you. And I just think it's a good, rewarding experience for the children.
Hey, Molly. Oh, he's soft. Isn't she? Yeah. Look at that smile. Yeah. What do you think? She's soft? She's soft?
Hi, I'm Linda Thigpen. I'm one of the administrators at Washington Center. The students at Washington Center love when pet therapy comes around. They come once a month and they share unconditional love with the students who have severe, profound intellectual disabilities at Washington Center. The students have unconditional love from the pets. Our students learn to interact appropriately with the dogs, how to touch them and pet them without hurting them, and learn to overcome fear of other pets and other dogs. We have lots of little miracle stories like this with our pets.
Oh, she likes that. Good, that. She likes it. Really? Her name is Annie. What's her name? Hi, Annie. Annie. Isn't she a silly dog? Oh my goodness. Such excitement.
That's an inside look at Greenville County Schools.